Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will tell you how to group products and monitor the changes of the products. Here at Doba, we'll use tags to group products and tag monitoring to enable the notification of the product's price and inventory changes, etc. So, let's see how to manage tags and set up tag monitoring. Please log into your retailer account first. Then go to Inventory List on the left navigation pane. Click the Tag Management button. On this page, you will see a list of all the tags you've added. You may click this icon to change the name of a current tag. Just enter the new name, and click Save to finish. If you don't want a current tag anymore, you may click this icon to delete it. After you delete a tag, the products under this tag will not be removed from the inventory list, so, please don't worry. You may click the Add New Tag button to add a new one. Enter the tag name, and click Save to finish. After a new one is added, you may choose to add the products already in your inventory list to this new tag. You may also add the new products you find in the Search Product page to the new tag. That's the basic management of the tags. In the next video, we'll tell you about tag monitoring. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.